Welcome, everyone. Have you ever wondered about the secret energy that makes things go? That invisible power that sets everything in motion? Well, today, we're going to discover a hidden power that's all around us, and it's all about waiting. Okay, let's dive into this.
Just imagine this. You're in a roller coaster car, and you've just clicked your way to the very tippy top of a giant hill. You're just paused there, not moving at all, just for a split second. But you know that in a moment, you're going to be racing down at incredible speeds. So where does that powerful whoosh of speed actually come from?
That's our big mystery for today. It feels like that speed just comes out of nowhere, right? But it doesn't. The answer is a secret, stored-up power called potential energy.
So what is potential energy? Well, to put it simply, it's stored energy. It's the weighting power an object has because of its position, like being way up high, or its condition, like being all stretched out. It's kind of like the power a superhero has right before they leap into action. It's just waiting to be released.
A really great way to think about it is like this fully charged battery. All the power is in there, saved up and ready to go. It's not doing anything yet, but it has the potential to make something happen as soon as you turn it on.
And this is the crucial point. This isn't the energy of motion itself. Nope, it's the promise of motion. It's all that future action, all that speed, all that power, just bundled up and waiting for the right moment.
Now, this waiting energy comes in a couple of super common types that you see every single day, and these are the two big clues to solving our roller coaster mystery. On one side, we've got energy that's stored because of how high up an object is. We call that gravitational potential energy. And on the other side, we have energy that's stored because an object's shape has been changed, stretched or squished. That's called elastic potential energy. Let's break them down. Gravitational potential energy is all about height. The higher something is, the more stored energy it has, all thanks to the pull of gravity. Think about that wrecking ball. It can do a lot of work and smash through a wall because it was lifted so high, storing up a massive amount of that waiting energy. Now, elastic energy, that's stored when you stretch or squash something that just wants to spring back to its original shape. So when you pull back a slingshot, that stretched band is holding a ton of waiting energy, just ready to launch something forward.
So what happens when this waiting energy finally stops waiting? Well, it doesn't just disappear. It makes the big switch.
You see, when potential energy is released, it transforms into something called kinetic energy. That's just a fancy name for the energy of movement. If something is moving, it has kinetic energy. Basically, waiting energy becomes doing energy. Okay, let's look at Spark here, at the very top of this skateboard ramp. He's as high as he can be, so his potential energy meter is totally full. But he's not moving yet, is he? So his kinetic energy meter is completely empty.
This chart shows us exactly what's happening in that moment. See that? The potential energy bar is at 100%, completely full, but the kinetic energy bar, that's at 0. All of that power for future motion is stored up, just waiting for gravity to take over. And he's off. As Spark rolls down the ramp, he's losing height. And look at those meters. Do you see how the potential energy is flowing over and turning into kinetic energy? The waiting energy is becoming moving energy right before our eyes.
Look at this. It's a perfect trade-off. We're halfway down, so we have half potential energy and half kinetic energy, 50-50. As one bar goes down, the other goes up by the exact same amount. The total energy never disappears. It just changes from waiting to doing.
Whoosh! Now Spark is at the very bottom. He has no height left, so his potential energy meter is totally empty. All of that stored energy has been converted into maximum speed. His kinetic energy meter is now completely full.
And this chart shows the final result of the big switch. The potential energy is down to 0, and all of that waiting energy from the top is now 100% moving energy at the bottom. And that brings us back to our mystery. It's where the roller coaster's incredible speed comes from. Stored energy becomes motion.
So now that you know what to look for, you'll start to see this secret waiting energy absolutely everywhere you go. It's kind of cool.
Take the water held back at the top of a huge waterfall. It has massive gravitational potential energy, just waiting for gravity to pull it down.
Even the food you eat, it contains a special type of stored energy called chemical potential energy. Your body is an expert at turning that waiting energy into kinetic energy so you can run and play.
And of course, the batteries we saw earlier store electrical potential energy to power your remote controls, your toys, and all your other gadgets. All right, our discovery journey is almost over.
To really lock in everything we've learned, let's quickly go through 5 power facts to remember.
Just remember these 5 things. 1. Potential energy is just waiting energy. 2. The 2 main types come from being high up or changing shape. 3. More height or more stretch equals more energy. Easy. 4. This waiting energy can transform into moving energy. And 5, and this is the big one, this energy switch is happening everywhere, all the time.
And now for a final thought to leave you with. Go ahead, take a look around the room you're in right now. Using what you just learned, what do you think is the biggest store of potential energy you can find? Is it a book on a high shelf, a coiled up cord, or maybe something else entirely? The power of waiting is everywhere. Thanks for exploring with us today.